Okay, my dear friends of class 7. So, today just we are going to cover the chapter 7. The media and democracy is very important nowadays because this media and information is very important nowadays because without this just we cannot run fastly. So, this is so we will go through this, the media and the democracy. What media? Media means what? Way. Media means way. From which way just we will go to that place. So, this is the media. And this democracy. Democracy, when just you are the student of civics, political science, certainly just you are aware about the democracy. What is the democracy? So, you know the definition of the democracy. Democracy is for the people, by the people and of the people. Democracy is for the people, by the people and of the people. So, we are here having the freedom of this democracy. We are a democratic country. We are free from any other rules. We are free from this foreigner or foreign rules earlier. As you know, before this, earlier this 1947, we were captive. The Britishers were ruling on us. So, we were not democrats. It means what we want or we wanted to speak could not. So, there was the ruling of these Britishers here in this country more than 200 years, and when they have left, then we have become the democratic countries. We are now under these democratic rules. What does it mean? So, democracy is for the people, by the people and of the people. We are here ruling ourselves. How? We are electing our representatives. Those representatives in the forms of the MP and MLAs. In center there are the MP, member of parliament. In the states there are the MLA. In center there are the MLA, member of legislative assembly, or MLC also. So, this both are, when just we are talking about this democracy or democratic country, this media is also essential. This democracy, it means we are now quite free. We are not under the rule of any others. So, we are electing our representative. We are electing our representative and sending them to the parliament and this Vidhan Sabha, Vidhan Parishad, and they are making the rules. How? They are ruling on us. How? By making the rules. They are just governing on us. They are ruling on us. So, today just we will see this media and the communication. Media means what? I told you way. I told you way. How just we are reaching there? How just I am just making someone or getting the message to you. So, the way of that is called the media. So, media from this medium. Medium means, suppose just you are going to Mumbai, you are going to Delhi, you are going to Kolkata. How you are going? Are you going on foot? Or are you going by this train or by this plane? So, this is the media. And this communication. Communication. Communication means what? To way of talking, to give, to send the message from here to there. That is the communication. If the communication will be better, then just you can say this media is perfect. Media is perfect, but if the communication will be wrong, if some mistakes will be there, then we cannot say we are satisfied. When you will not be satisfied with this, then the communication is very essential, because this is the transformation of the ideas between two or more than two. We are transforming our ideas, we are transforming our views. So this is called the communication. And this communication is so important, because if the communication will be wrong, if this communication will be not correct, then it may some just drastic change there. Some issue will be some problem just whom you are ready to solve may be diverse, may be just opposite. So this media, from this medium and this communication to reach the message from this place to that place is called the communication. And this mass media means what? Just if you are talking to anyone here on telephone, you are talking some of your friend on mobile, you are talking someone on this such type of this phone, as I told you, then that is called single media. Just it is especially for you. But when just we are talking about the mass, means large scale. Mass means what? In large scale. Sometimes just you are talking, I explained to you. So that cannot be said the mass media. Media is also there, communication is also there on that. But that not will be mass. But when mass means in large scale, when the people will be informed, people will be just getting the messages. So this is called the mass media. And mass media, how just we come to know the papers? You are aware about early in the morning, you are getting the paper in your house. We are getting the paper in the house. Earlier we were understanding this one the cheapest and best media, but nowadays just we are going through this. Right now you are going through this television, and television also there. But this mass media, this television also, because large people, number of people here through the country or even the world. First is the paper, which is very easy to reach to you and the cheaper also. Second is the television. We are watching through this television anything, any issue from this country, from that country, or from the world. So this mass in large scale, each and every family there is or are the television, maybe 2, 3 in one house televisions are there. So paper is reaching many places, just a large scale. So this is coming under the mass medium, large scale. And video recording, just someone is one you are doing there, but just you are passing this message to large scale. So this is also coming under this mass media. SMS, you are sending the SMS through this mobile or this by other also. So this is SMS. It's online classes. Online just right now just you are feeling the importance of this online. You are there in your house. We are here in this school. We are communicating each other. We are communicating, we are connected with each other through these online classes, online. When just we teacher, students are performing our performance, what's our duty? What's your just responsibility? When just you are the students, you are supposed to get the education. I am supposed to give you, teach you, but how this will be there? So this is through this online classes. Just the best example, just easily we can understand. Okay, so this type of this mass media. Now, I am here alone, but just I am doing this one for many, just at least 40 of one section, 40 of the other sections. So, this is coming under this mass media. The kinds of media. Now, so this is, right now just I have explained this one to you, paper. Paper is the, which media? Print media, books, print media, magazine. So many are there. When just you are getting this one in typing or through this press, just you are getting, this is the print media. Okay, paper, magazine, books, many are there. Now this electronic media, which is very common this time, this electronic media, mobile phone, television, SMS or other issues, Facebook, you are sending this message. So this electronic media, how just we are doing this one? Through this electronic. And this media and the public opinion. Yes, media and the public opinion, both are, this very important, this media and this public opinion. Suppose where it is applicable. See, our government, state government or central government, they are working there. Central government is there in this, working there from this Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. State government is working from this Vidhan Sabha and Vidhan Parishad. But how just we are coming to know? How we just say just this house, this parliament, this Vidhan Sabha, that state, this state is working properly, this state is not working properly. So, how just we are coming to know? Through this media. And how just it can be? This is, if you are not working properly, then this is the opinion of the people. This is the opinion of the people. Public, just we have all the right to criticize you. We have all the right to criticize you. And if someone is criticizing us, if someone is criticizing me, I should appreciate. I should not just should say left and right. No. So, we should appreciate. Why this is? Because anything there, if you want to give the suggestion, if you want to give the opinion, if that is suitable, then why this media should not accept it? Media should also accept it. And how this will be affected? Through this public opinion. Through this public opinion. But the media is the way here. Media is the way here. Media is trying to reach this one to that place, reach one to the state, reach to the whole country. So, this media is the way to get the message reach to the area. And through this public opinion, what the people of this area is telling, whether you are right, whether you are doing correct or not. So, this is the public opinion. Public opinion, and this media has a very big role. Media has a big role. If someone is doing wrong, our house is not properly working, this parliament is not working properly, then you are aware about the opposition party is there. Opposition party is there. So, this public opinion has, or this opposition party has the vital role there in house. Because if you are doing something wrong, you are not working properly, then the opposition is or are there to catch you hold. Opposition will what do? opposition will not, they will raise the issue against you, they will not support you, and if just you are going to pass any rule, any law there in the house, it is very essential to get the percentage of 2/3 majority, then it can be passed. So this is important. So public opinion is very important. The public opinion has a vital role. Public opinion has the vital role there. Okay, nowadays the awareness. Awareness means what? To make any people alert. To make anyone alert. So nowadays you are, when sitting there in your houses, you are just aware about this, the situation of this country, the pandemic. So many ways just government is trying to alert us. This should be done, this should not be done, you should take this, you should not take this. This school, colleges and many, these organizations are closed. Why this is? So this media is making us aware. If just you will not follow the system, not understand the importance of what you are being told, then you may be the sufferer. You may in trouble, you may in just a problem. So this media and public opinion, now this vital role, awareness. Now this again, next is coming this ethics and principles of media. See, ethics, the principles, this is with everyone. Somebody says he is a very good man, he is not. Why? Because everyone has their policy. Everyone has their own policy. And if your policy is better, maximum people are being benefited from that, it means just you can say your ethics are very good. Okay, acceptable to many, Siddhant principles. Okay, ethics and these principles of media. Now, it's very important what messages just we are getting. It should be true, it should be correct. When just we are going through the messages of this paper, television or through any media, what should be our target, what should be your target, it should be correct. No false message should be there. So, media principle should be how? Authenticity. Authenticity means it should be correct, it should be right. Honestly, you should represent it. Honestly, you should say someone. So this authenticity, or it should be correct, it should be right. Because media, when just you are getting any message, you are going through the paper, because it is the responsibility of the reporters to report, to bring the message, collect the message from the area, but that should be correct. There should be, in the message should be authenticity. Message should not be false. If the message will be false, it means after some time people will understand this paper is putting mostly the false reporting. Then what will be the result? People will leave to read your papers, your magazines, your channels. So this is very essential. Okay, so the authenticity should be there in that. Honesty. This is very common proverb. Honesty is the best policy. And as I think, you also thinking, most of the people like this. We should be honest. Maybe few persons, the few percentage of the people who those don't believe on this honesty. I think almost 99% will just believe on this honesty. I should not speak lie. I should not cheat someone. We should be honest. So, if the media people will not be honest, if any accident has taken place, luckily, unluckily, two people just has met with that accident, and the media sometime they have done 42. In place of 2, they have done 42 people have just met with this fatal accident. So what will be the result? People will maybe for some times going through your paper, but when the people will come to know, they will not go through that, and when the people will not read to your this paper, then what will happen? Automatically your house will go flop, closed, and how many people are working there? You will be the sufferer. What the owner will do? Owner will just put the lock there in that, and just the people who those are working, they will be the sufferers. So this honesty is very important, and we know honesty is the best policy. Okay, I have written 2 times this honesty. Now sensitivity. If just you are releasing, you are distributing any message, it should be sensitivity. Means what? We should not give any such news so that there should be upset there in the society, upset there in the area. So there just became the fighting there in the area if just you have given any message there. So the sensitivity, it should be very important. It should not be, you should not spread any such news, any message, so that there should be the problem there. Impartiality, we should be very much alert. We should not take the just favor for anyone. When just you are there in the media, so you should be very much impartiality. Partiality should not be done. Now, this Right to Information Act. Right to Information Act is very important nowadays. What does it mean? If anything is happening there, examples I have put there. Allocation of money for this MP and MLAs, relief funds, etc. See, what does it mean? See, if any MP is there, MLA is there, they have just getting the sanction from the House, Lok Sabha or Vidhan Sabha, to expand for the development area, to invest some money. It is provided by the government. It is provided by the House. So, but if that money is being not utilized properly, then we have a right to ask how much this amount has been given to this and how much amount has been expended for what. So this type of things are there. So allocation of money to MLA, member of Legislative Assembly, or MPs, member of Parliament. So, or even PM's relief fund, to Bihar, Kashmir, etc. when there is the flood, or if any, say this disaster, disaster management disaster, so at that time flood is there, or any such type of things happening, earthquake is there. So at that time the relief fund is being provided to that particular area, particular state, but we all have the right to get the information that how much this money has been just distributed to them. So this Kashmir flood was there, this Bihar, all the time, just as you know, 1 year there is the drought, 1 year there is the flood there in Bihar. So how much this relief fund is coming to Bihar from the fund of this PM's relief fund? RTI makes entries, entire systems transparent. So this RTI, Right to Information Act. So this Right to Information Act has brought the people or the system transparent. Easily just we can get the information how much money has been sanctioned and how it has been utilized, how it has been invested, just we can come to know. This is the system of RTI, Right to Information Act. Okay, friends.